crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a chicken salad, and here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We have Fiesta cheese, real bacon bits, garlic and butter croutons, banana peppers, lettuce, cucumber, red onion, and tomato. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the videos. And y'all, let's get into this video. We have our chicken strips here, and I have hot sauce here, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, black pepper, and salt. We're gonna season this, mix it up, and we're gonna put the same seasonings in our flour, and then we're gonna deep fry it. Then we're gonna cut up our lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and whatever else our heart desire to put on our salad. And I'm sorry, let us know how y'all doing in the comment section below. Let us know if y'all have any plans for the weekend. So y'all know, like always, you know, y'all boy always put his hot sauce on his chicken first. And believe it or not, just that little bit of hot sauce, like, man, it gives your chicken a kick. So we're just gonna get that like that. Then we're gonna go in with our garlic powder, our onion powder, oh, man overboard, our paprika. Yeah, but like I say, let us know what y'all have planned for this weekend. And if you have kids, let us know what y'all gonna do with them for the summer. Baby boy go back to school next month, I think on the 29th. So we're gonna, our chili powder, we're gonna do a couple things with him. I want to take him out on a dolphin sightseeing boat, and Queen gonna take him to the water park. So that'll be two things for him to do before he go back to school. And we'll probably end up taking him to Margaritaville. He's a big player also, just to, you know, where he can enjoy his summer break. He's currently with Talia, spending time with her and Gray. And you know, the Queen, she been past couple of days shopping for clothes for him already. And, you know, sometimes it's best to get it out early, that way you can beat the crowds and you ain't got to deal with all those people. So we just gonna mix it up. Okay, crew, so like y'all seen with the me seasoning chicken, I put the same seasoning in this flour right here, and we got the grease at 350 degrees. We're just gonna, you know, drop our chicken in there. And I'm only going to show y'all one batch, and then I'll fry the rest, then we'll get to the other part of this video. For our crispy chicken salad. Okay, crew. So we got to put this salad together. And shout out to Miss Cheryl. She sent me this set, and I'm gonna use her bowl to make my salad in. So I'm just gonna go in with some lettuce, a few tomatoes, and hit it with the pepper and salt. Then we're gonna go in with our cucumber. Got our red onion here. Then we're gonna go in with some banana peppers. And we have some grilled bacon bits. Garlic and butter crouton. We're gonna go in with our chicken. That's what it looks like so far. Then we got our cheese here. And there you have it. Okay, crew. So I got my little salad bowl right here. And I'm gonna fix this salad. We got a little few eggs right here. I'm gonna put over top. So we got our ranch. We're just gonna drizzle. And we have our zesty Italian dressing. Cool, so here's the finished look of the salad. My crispy chicken salad. And if y'all new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like the videos, comment on the video. And y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.